8 ways to handle exam anxiety. Conquer your fear and ace your exams. Welcome back to the Explainer channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some powerful tips and tricks to help you calm those nerves, boost your confidence, and walk into that exam room ready to crush it. Tip 1. Prepare like a pro. You've probably heard it 1,000 times, but preparation really is key. Create a study plan that breaks down what you need to review each day. That way, you'll avoid last-minute cramming, which only makes anxiety worse. Break it down like this: Monday, review notes; Tuesday, practice problems; Wednesday, flashcards. Small, manageable goals each day keep you from feeling overwhelmed and give you a confidence boost with every box you check off. Tip number 2. Breathe and visualize success. Here's a powerful mental trick: breathing and visualization. When anxiety hits, take a moment to pause and breathe deeply. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This slows your heart rate and clears your mind. And while you're breathing, visualize yourself in the exam room, calm, confident, writing down answers with ease. Picture yourself succeeding. This might sound simple, but visualizing success rewires your brain to believe in it. Tip number 3. Get moving. Did you know that physical activity can actually reduce anxiety? Yep, it's true. When you feel exam nerves creeping up, get up and move around. Go for a walk, do some stretching, or even just dance it out to your favorite song. Movement releases endorphins, which are like natural mood lifters. Plus, getting the blood flowing to your brain helps with focus and memory. Tip number 4. Avoid the all-nighter trap. Staying up all night cramming actually makes anxiety worse. When you're sleep deprived, your brain doesn't work as well, and your ability to stay calm goes out the window. Instead, aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep, especially the night before the exam. A well-rested brain is way better at recalling information and staying focused. Tip number 5. Talk to yourself positively. Let's talk about self-talk. You might not realize it, but the things you say to yourself have a huge impact on your confidence. If you're constantly saying, "I'm going to fail," guess what? You'll feel more anxious. Instead, replace negative thoughts with positive ones like, "I've studied hard, and I'm going to do my best." Simple, positive affirmations like, "I am prepared," or "I can handle this" really do make a difference. Tip number 6. Manage time with the 10-5 rule. Alright, let's talk time management during the actual exam. Here's a tip: use the 10-5 rule. When you start the exam, spend the first 10% of your time skimming through all the questions. Mark the ones you feel most confident about, and start with those. This gives you a confidence boost right from the start. Then, spend the last 5% of your time reviewing answers and double-checking for mistakes. Having a game plan like this keeps you calm and focused. Tip number 7. Accept the nerves. Here's a bit of unconventional advice: embrace the nerves. Remember, everyone feels some level of anxiety during exams. It's normal. The trick is not to fight it too hard. Tell yourself, "Okay, I feel nervous, and that's okay. It's my body's way of gearing up to perform well." A little anxiety can actually keep you alert and focused, so don't be afraid of it. Work with it. Tip 8. Visualize the after-exam celebration. Imagine how amazing it'll feel once the exam is over and you're celebrating all your hard work. This positive anticipation helps keep your anxiety in check. Picture yourself handing in your paper, walking out with confidence, and treating yourself to something awesome. Whether it's a favorite snack, hanging out with friends, or just binge watching your favorite show, keep that post-exam reward in mind. So, which tip are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and remember, you're stronger and more capable than you think. These exams are just a stepping stone on your journey, and with these techniques, you're set to conquer them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to boost your academic game. Good luck on those exams, and as always, keep crushing it.